Yo, what's good YouTube? We are back again once again for another video, and in today's video, you guys, we are in the FRS, and that is because we're doing a must-have mod. We're upgrading the security. We're doing a dash cam install in the FRS. However, it's not just a regular dash cam install. We're not hooking up the dash cam power to ground. We're doing a plug and play harness. We're making it as easy as it could get when it comes to installing security for your prized possession with the help of Hachi Electronics. Yes, you guys have heard the name already. If you have not already, Hachi Electronics is Supreme BRZ man. It's a master of electronics when it comes to these cars. So of course he hooked us up with a plug and play harness and made it as easy as possible for us. So without any further ado, we're gonna jump right into it. All right guys, so the dash cam we have gotten here from Hachi Electronics is the Viofo A119 Mini #2. Really small and really compact camera to run on your car. It's also the most affordable option. And if you don't know already, Viofo, top of the game for dash cams, some of the best when it comes to quality. And then of course, our Hachi plug and play harness. Now, this might look like a lot of connectors to you guys, but this is for not only your dash cam, but you could run a radar. Your harness isn't gonna look as complex as this unless you get the 2-in-1 dash cam and radar harness. All right guys, so if you end up getting a Viofo dash cam, these are some of the things you're gonna get in the box. Our little dust collectors here, our dash cam here. So we'll take that out. Got a manual, all this cool stuff, sticker, whatever. So looking at the wiring here, we have our usual cigarette lighter connector, which we don't need. We don't need that. This is the only set of wiring we're gonna need. It's gonna go right into the dash cam and then where we're gonna plug it into. All right, let's see if I can do this with one hand. Get our mirror out the way so we don't break the glass. And then, boom, you guys saw, really easy. One hand, dude, one hand wonder, one hand army. This is what we're working with, nothing, no connectors. So you guys might be wondering, well, what the heck are we connecting to? We're not even connecting to that, dude. That's what I thought in the beginning. I was wrong. Ooh, one hand, dude, a little bit in there. If we take a look in there, we have another wire. So I'm gonna see if I get some light for you guys so you can see. It's gonna be that connector right up there. Now yours is already gonna come unplugged. We're good, we're chilling. Plug this guy into that connector and then that guy will go into the dash cam. All right, so after you manage to get that all connected up, we can throw on our dash cam. You probably wanna clean your windshield before you throw on the dash cam. At least put some alcohol where you're gonna install the dash cam. All right, after we're done there, we can kind of fiddle around here to see where we want our dash cam. Put it down all the way there. And then this way we could see how we want to face it. We might do it right in the corner of the dotted line, right there where it meets. I think it's a pretty good kind of area. This way we don't see it all the time while we're driving. Or alternatively, if you do want to see it while you're driving, you could go on the dotted line in the above area. So we'll put this thing down here. Take this thing off. No more dust. No more dust. None of it. I don't want any of it. Had to be perfect. And from there, we take our USB-C. We're gonna come through the top there, the headliner, and see if we could feed her in. I know we can, so let's do that. There we go. Boom, right through the headliner. We fed it through the right side because there's kind of a bar in the middle here that you can't get the USB-C through. So we fed it through the right side and then kind of pushed it until it popped out. We're all hidden, we're all tucked. Look at that, dude. It is so dang easy. Look at that. Dash cam installed, connector, we have our USB-C there, fed through the headliner, literally no wiring, dude. And then we can just plug her in. We're all connected. Test her out real quick like. Do we get it? Do we get it? All right, let's turn it off there. We're going to utilize our little twist tie here that came with our wiring to kind of tidy it up in here. So let's do that. All right, gave her a nice twirl here. So we're gonna tuck it up there, make sure while we're driving, because it is metal up here and I can tell somebody's been up here because there are scratches. We don't want it rattling around and hitting metal because there's enough rattles in this car. So we don't want to make one more. On the other hand, some of you might say, well, what's one more rattle? If you like rattles, then have at it, dude. But JT, I can't say I'm too fond of one. I'm not gonna lie. Right in there seems to be nifty, handy, and dandy, I gotta say. So what if I told you that that's it? What? That's it, dude. You'd say, no way, dude. There's gotta be more. Wait, there is more. Hold on. We can't put it there. We can't put it there, dude. I goofed. Oh, now she goes up. Now she goes up. We don't need any more wiring. What else is in here? Dude, well, this is really good to have. That's good to keep. And so is the 3MT. But that's not the point. And it's all thanks to Hachi Electronics. Supreme BRZ, man. 86 massive electronics. Go check them out, man. Description down below. At this point in the video, you guys, we're gonna go ahead and, well, insert our SD card. We got here.
Memory card format. Successful.
You better freaking format it. Yeah, so we can put on parking mode and all that cool stuff, but this harness doesn't support parking modes. If you do want to have parking mode enabled on your dash cam, you could do that with a different harness. That is also provided by Hachi Electronics. All right, guys, well, at this point in the video, I do think we are able to go ahead and, well, enjoy our little sweet treat here provided by Hachi Electronics. Oh, is this Japanese? It smells like bubble gum. You know what this one tastes like? A fresh dash cam installed by Hachi Electronics. Wait, is this bubble gum? Well, guys, just like that, we got our dash cam installed with ease, no wiring, all tidied up, super duper easy install to keep your BRZ, your FRS, your 86 safe. Super stoked, obviously. You guys can see I'm ecstatic when it comes to the small things, when it comes to small things in life, and finally get it done just with boom, done easy. I do hope you guys learned something in today's video when it comes to installing a super duper easy sense of security. If you did, of course, show me some love, give me a like down below, and while you're down there, you can also consider subscribing. That shows me you guys like what I'm doing here, and I can do more. But other than that, as per usual, you can find me, Jules, in the description down below. And while you're down there, you could also check out Hachi Electronics. He is the Supreme BRZ man, 86 master of electronics. Use code Jules10 for that 10% off. Of course, save yourself a couple of bucks. But other than that, I think I'm gonna get the heck up out of here, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace. In today's, sorry, squirrel.